how to play YouTube in background. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to play a YouTube video in background? Then I'll help you out. So first things first, open up your YouTube app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the settings on the top right. Then scroll down under video and audio preferences, tap on playback, and then you'll need to tap on playback in feeds and tap on always on. So, however, this is only available in YouTube Premium. So, you need to buy YouTube Premium to be able to play YouTube in background. And you have to keep this always on. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.